Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about eliminating flower odors that can make you sick. Now, flowers come in all shapes and sizes and all types of smells. And I found with certain flowers you either love them or you hate them. For example, I love stargazer lilies. They smell so good. But when you have a bucket of them or a lot of them in a small area, they're so strong. They smell like clove cigarettes. They remind me of the girls down the hall in college that used to smoke them, and it just drove me crazy because I hate the smell of clove cigarettes. And that's okay. I found that it's okay not to like certain flower smells. So the only way to eliminate those smells is to pretty much eliminate those plants. So make sure that if you do grow those plants, don't put them right next to the house. Put them farther away from the house. And if you do get them as cut flowers, make sure and not let them warm up. Here's my trick. Plants and flowers smell when they warm up. So that's why in the beginning of the day, in the morning, they don't have much of a fragrance. But on a hot summer afternoon, they smell really, really strong. Just like food. So you take food out of the refrigerator, it doesn't smell at all. Once it's cooked, it has a very strong, strong smell. So to eliminate the smell for flowers, put them in the coldest room that you have. Put them in the basement. Put them out on the patio. Put them where it's not going to be really hot. So if it's in the fall or the spring or the winter time, put them somewhere where they're not going to freeze, but they're going to stay cool. Because when flowers are cool, they don't smell so much. So that's an easy trick. And always never put more than one of a smelly type or variety in a bouquet. That's another trick. Never put like 10 stargazers together in a hot room if you don't like the smell, because it's just going to be too overwhelming. In saying that, there's so many types of flowers that don't have fragrance. You know, if you don't like fragrant lilies, go for the Asiatic lilies that don't have a fragrance. They come in all different colors and shapes as well. And there's all I personally love the smell of geraniums, but sometimes people don't like them. They're overwhelming. That's why bugs don't like geraniums. A lot of chrysanthemums too have a strong fragrance, and that's what they make a lot of pyrethrins. A lot of the different kinds of insecticides are coming from different plants that don't smell good. So either don't grow those plants or put them as far away from the front door as possible. And always keep them on the cool side. So if you're having a dinner party, don't put the geranium in the middle of the party. Don't put your lilies right in the middle of the party. Put them out in the back or in the basement where it's not so warm. And that way people can enjoy the look of them without the smell.